There. In this tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to disable in-app purchases on your iPhone. So let's get started. Firstly, open up your Settings app and then tap on Screen Time. Next, go to Content and Privacy Restrictions and make sure this feature is turned on. Once enabled, tap on the option for iTunes and App Store purchases. Here, you'll see 3 different options: installing apps, deleting apps, and in-app purchases. Tap on the last one, and it will present you with 2 options: allow and don't allow. Since we want to disable in-app purchases, tap on don't allow and then select the option to always require. And voila! You have now successfully turned off in-app purchases on your iPhone. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If it was, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on more helpful tutorials like this one.